Hello again! Today we're going to focus on getting your team invited to Twona AMS. Using Twona AMS on your own makes no sense. If you want to enjoy the benefits we discussed in our introduction video, anyone involved in your process should be invited to Twona AMS. Follow these simple steps to invite new users. Navigate to the System Settings area. This is located under your username and avatar image on the top right-hand side of your screen. Enter your colleague details, select which group they should belong to, add a personal message and press the send button. They will soon receive a message from us, informing them that they can activate their account. Once they enter their new password, they will be able to access the system and start collaborating in projects. You will be able to track how many users you have active and how many seats you have left, which might vary depending on your plan. You can always upgrade to a new plan if you need more colleagues using Twona AMS. If you need any assistance, consult our knowledge resources, our help area, or get in touch. Enjoy your day!